15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. Natural English for the workplace. The deadline is tomorrow. That sounds natural. Is it common at work? It is the deadline. It is the deadline. I will follow up later. People understand it. Is it natural in business English? I will follow up later. I will follow up later. I have a meeting. That sounds natural. Is it common in offices? I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I will check the schedule. The meaning is clear. What sounds more conversational? I will check my schedule. I will check my schedule. I am doing remote work today. That sounds natural. Is there another common phrase? I am working remotely. I am working remotely. Thank you for the feedback. That sounds professional. Is it common at work? Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. Please do it ASAP. People understand it. That abbreviation sounds formal. Please do it as soon as possible. Please do it as soon as possible. I finished the task. That sounds natural. Is it common in offices? I completed the task. I completed the task. I submitted the report. That sounds natural. Can I use it at work? I submitted the report. I submitted the report. I talked with the client. That sounds professional. Is it common in business? I talked with the client. I talked with the client. I am preparing a presentation. That sounds natural. Is it common at work? I am preparing a presentation. I am preparing a presentation. My boss approved it. That sounds professional. Is it common in offices? It was approved. It was approved. I revised the document. People understand it. Is it natural in business English? I revised it. I revised it. I have overtime today. That sounds natural. Is it common in workplaces? I have overtime today. I have overtime today. My commute takes 1 hour. That sounds natural. Is it common in conversation? My commute is long. My commute is long. It is the deadline. It is the deadline. I will follow up later. I will follow up later. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I will check my schedule. I will check my schedule. I am working remotely. I am working remotely. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. Please do it as soon as possible. Please do it as soon as possible. I completed the task. I completed the task. I submitted the report. I submitted the report. I talked with the client. I talked with the client. I am preparing a presentation. I am preparing a presentation. It was approved. It was approved. I revised it. I revised it. I have overtime today. I have overtime today. My commute is long. My commute is long. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.